Hello everybody, my name is Jarek and welcome to my YouTube channel Jaropol80. Today I would like to show you a brand new car, 2024 Volvo XC90. The model is B6. It's an all-wheel drive SUV, so it's a brand new car straight from the dealership. I have a chance to test drive a little bit this car and I would like to show you. I hope you're gonna enjoy this car. Thank you very much for all your support, your likes and comments, and I wish you all the best. So here how to start this Volvo SUV. Okay, it's on. So this is 2024 Volvo XC90. The model is B6 and it's all-wheel drive SUV. Here's the key. It's a brand new car, straight from the dealership. Comes with a panoramic roof. backup camera. Let me test drive this beautiful SUV. There you go. So I am in the middle of the test drive of this beautiful Volvo SUV from 2024, brand new. It's very comfortable. There's a lot of space inside. So this is all-wheel drive SUV, Volvo SUV XC90. It's a brand new car, 2024. The car just came straight from the dealership. The steering wheel is very comfortable. I like the design of this SUV. Volvo cars are well known for being solid and well designed cars.